morning students, myself Dr. Bharti Patil. We have started our chapter number systems and logic gates. Up till now we have covered the points related to number systems, and today we are going to start the half of the part of this chapter, that is logic gates. In this logic gates, we are going to see the basic logic gates. Initially, what are the logic gates? We know that we are dealing with the digital systems, and the digital systems are fabricated with the help of the electronic circuits, and most of them are the logic gates. So logic gates are the fundamental building block of any digital system, and it is the electronic circuit because it consists of various components in it. Any logic circuit or any logic gate is represented by input and output, and their input and output will have only two states. That is, it will have either high state, low state, or zero state, one state, or logic 0 and 1 I have just now told you, on and off state, and also true or false state. Therefore, the logic input and output will have such type of states. Then variation in the inputs and respective outputs is mentioned in a table, and that is called as truth table. So truth table will enlist the various possibilities of inputs and corresponding output. So truth table is also very much important in case of logic gates. Now we are dealing with the level logic. We are dealing with the level logic means, in case of level logic, the voltages are either represented as a high or low, and based on the logic level there are two types of logic circuits or the logic systems, and these are called as positive logic system and negative logic system. So what is positive logic system? In case of positive logic system, the positive logic system, the input, the higher of the value of voltage is represented by logic 1 state, and the low value of the input voltage is represented by 0 state. So high voltage is represented by 1 state, and the logic 1 state, and 0, that is low level, is represented by logic 0 state. So logic gates are basic building block of digital systems. They are represented by only two states, and these two states are on, off, or high, low, true, false, or logic 1 or 0. So these are the possible presentations of any logic gate. Then third, we are dealing with level logic. And this level logic, nothing but the voltage is expressed in terms of logic 1 and logic 0 state. Logic 1 and logic 0 state. And based on logic levels, based on logic levels, there are two types of logic circuits. There are two types of logic circuits or logic systems, and these are positive logic system and negative logic system. And positive logic system is nothing but the logic system in which high voltage is represented by logic 1 and low voltage is represented by logic 0, and the negative logic system, and I will write here, and negative logic system. In negative logic system, the low voltage will be represented by logic 1 state, and and high voltage level, here levels word should be there, high voltage level will be represented by logic 0. So it is the inverse of this statement. Here high voltage level is represented by logic 1 and low voltage level is represented by logic 0, and in case of negative logic system, low voltage level will be represented by logic 1 and high voltage level will be represented by logic 0. Thus, in case of logic gates, there are three basic logic gates, that is AND gate, OR gate and NOT gate. Then there are two universal gates, and these are NAND gate and NOR gate, and there are other gates, that is XOR gate and XNOR gate. So one by one we will see what are these basic gates. So first basic logic gate is AND gate. So initially I will draw a symbol of AND gate. AND gate is represented by two inputs. Suppose I have considered A and B as the two inputs, and its only one output is represented with A dot B. A dot B is the output of AND gate. So output, suppose I have represented by Y as output, then output is given by product of two inputs. So I have told you that in case of logic gates, there is necessity to have a truth table which will represent the variation in inputs and corresponding output. So here I will draw a truth table for this AND gate, and in order to draw truth table for AND gate, in order to draw truth table for AND gate, I have to consider inputs and their respective outputs. Here in this case we have taken two inputs as A and B, and output of the AND gate is represented by Y is equal to product of A and B, that is product of inputs. So this is going to become our output. Now I will select the various inputs as A and B such that 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1. It means that initially I will keep A as 0, B as 0, that is A low, B low, then A as 0, B as 1, then A as 1, B as 0, and finally A as 1 and B as 1, both the inputs at high. Then I will verify what will be the value of output. So here we have taken the output of AND gate. We will obtain the output of AND gate as the product of A and B. We know that in case of product, if we multiply any digit with 0, then its value is going to is a 0. So here 0 into 0, it will give me a 0, that is a low. Then 0 and 1, it is also going to give me a 0, that is low, logic 0. Then 1 into 0, 1 into 0 means also a 0, that is logic 0 or low. And 1 into 1 only is going to give me as a logic 1 state. So what I can conclude from this output of AND gate, that output of AND gate will have high value only if both of or all of the inputs are at logic 1 or logic high. So what is the conclusion? The conclusion is that output of AND gate will be at logic 1 if and only if both, in this case both or all of its inputs are at logic 1 or high state. And if both of the inputs are 0, then output will be 0. One of the input is at high, then also output is 0. One of the input is at high, then also it is going to give me a 0. So what we have concluded from this AND gate? So this is the symbol for AND gate. AND gate is shown with this symbol. A and B are the inputs and Y represents its output. Output is given by the product of A and B. This is the truth table for AND gate. It represents corresponding inputs and the outputs. We have taken A and B as 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1 and corresponding obtained outputs at 0, 0, 0, 1. It means that the output of AND gate will be at logic 1 if and only if both or all of the inputs are at logic 1 or high state. Thank you.